so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, and in this clip I'm just showing y'all what my hair is looking like after I took it down before I washed it. Now my hair is freshly washed and I'm just taking my VO5 to add some moisture to my hair. And I'm just separating my hair so I can start my twist. And y'all, I started my hair finger detangling, but y'all, after I took those braids out, my hair was literally so knotted up. I was so irritated, like you wouldn't even understand. Like I was so freaking annoyed. But next time I think I'm gonna just do a pre-poo before washing my hair, and we'll see if that helps with the tangles and everything. As you can see, my hair is like really tangled, and it's never this tangled after I wash my hair. Like it's never this tangled. I'm just taking a strengthen and restore smoothie from like, as I was saying, I'm gonna take that smoothie and I'm gonna put that all over my hair, honey. I put so much on that, not even just that section, literally I put so much in my hair. Like it literally, as soon as I put it on, it feels like it just soaks into my hair. So I just wanted to add a lot so that I can make sure that my hair stays moisturized. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And after I feel like I got enough on my hair, I'm gonna go in with a comb and I'm gonna go ahead and comb that through my hair just to make sure that every strand of my hair is evenly coated and that my hair is as smooth as possible before I go ahead and put them twists in, because I think that's what helps a twist out, or any style for that matter, when your hair is like really smooth before doing it. So yeah, yes. And as you can see, I'm gonna twirl my twist around my finger. I feel like that just helps the twist stay tight while you have them in. So that's just what I like to do when I do twists, twist outs, whatever it is. And I just want to add that when I do my twist outs, I usually do them in advance, or like I don't really plan to do a twist out. I just usually wash my hair and twist it up, and then after a couple days I'll take the twist out down. So that's what I normally do. So actually I'm just twisting up my hair, and then I'm gonna actually wrap it up or put it on a bonnet once I twist it up, and then I'll probably go to work with just a turban on or something like that, and then I'm gonna take them out after work so y'all can see what I do when I get ready to take them out. And plus, doing it like that just makes sure that your twists are gonna be 100% dry when you take them down, because you don't want your twist to still be like super wet or anything, because then obviously it's not gonna be good. And I'm putting the edge treatment on my edges. Now, honestly, y'all, I don't know if this helps anything, to be honest. I haven't seen any super major changes or benefits with it, but it just makes me feel good, so I still use it. And I just put that on my edges before I go ahead and put my bonnet on. Alright, y'all, it's the next day and your girl is fresh off the work trip, and as you can see, I wear my little turban today, and I'm just showing y'all how flat my twists are. And I'm gonna be using this argan oil leave-in conditioner, which I added tea tree to it, and I'm gonna spray that to my hair just so that my hair can absorb it and the twist can like puff up a little bit, I guess you can say, before I take them down. Okay, and once I let that leave-in soak into my hair a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and take some oil, and I'm just gonna put that into my hair before I get ready to take it down. Alright, and as y'all can see, when I take my hair down, I take it down like I twisted it up, so one at a time, I guess you can say. I don't know, you see what I'm doing, you see what I'm talking about. So that's just how I like to take it down. Alright, now when I'm separating my hair, I try to separate it where it naturally parts, and then I just twist the section around my finger just to keep it little, I don't know how to explain it, just to keep it like uniform, I guess you can say. Now I know it's a little bit of frizz, but I personally don't mind frizz. I think it looks cute to me. I like that look. I don't like when any type of style, for the most part, is 100% uniform, because that just looks, I don't know, it just looks weird to me. So I don't mind frizz. So If you are somebody who does not want any type of frizz, I'd recommend that when you're separating it, make sure that your hands stay oiled, because if not, then you will have some type of frizz. Okay, y'all, so because I don't have to work, I am going to be showing y'all what I do when it's time for me to go to bed. So it's very basic. I just part my hair in sections and I put it in a hair tie or rubber band. I just put the section in a hair tie or rubber band. And if you notice, I didn't pick out my roots or anything, because doing this, in my opinion, helps to stretch out my hair without adding any extra frizz or anything like that. So yes. And I already know that y'all wondering about what's gonna happen when you sleep on it. It's gonna be flat, it's gonna be this, it's gonna da. I'm gonna come back in the morning and I'm gonna show y'all what I do when it's time to take it out. After a night of nice sleep, after a night of good sleep, I'm gonna show y'all exactly what you can do to get rid of the flatness, because oh baby, it is gonna be flat, and I'm gonna help you out with that. All right. Okay, y'all, so it's the next morning, and as you can see, my hair is really flat. So I'm just gonna take my spray, give my hair a little light mist, and I'm gonna let that soak into my hair, puff up a bit. Then I'm gonna just take my rubber bands out. Yes. Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and just separate my hair by the roots, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my curls, like one curl at a time, you know what I'm saying, until it doesn't look like it was in ponytails anymore. And y'all, my go-to style, literally my go-to style, is to do a part on the side and to pin it back a little bit with a bobby pin. So that's what you're gonna see me do today. gonna take gel on my edges on the other side and just gel that, because I don't know, it just looks better when I do it like that. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do and decorate my edges. Alright, and after I finish gelling everything that I want gelled, I'm just gonna play with my hair until I get it to lay exactly how I want it and get it to look how I want it. And once I've achieved my look, I'm just gonna do a celebratory Millie rock and we gone.